Hi guys, welcome you all. So let me wait for people to join the session. I'm going live with Kagan today from Artist Address. He's the admin of Artist Address. So let's wait for people to join. Hi. Okay, please send me the request. Yeah, okay. Wait a second.
How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you doing?
Great, yeah. What's happening?
Great. Nothing is happening. Just
So,
enjoying my quarantine time.
you just had live session with another creator.
With
Wow,
Kushal, he's the photographer. Yeah.
nice,
Okay.
yeah.
Hi, people are joining. Hi, Aditi. Hi.
Okay.
Okay, so
So
tell
tell
me
me,
how.
yaar,
Acha, you
yeah,
ask.
what are you doing these days? क्या चल रहा है?
What I'm doing these is I'm just sleeping, eating, watching Netflix, and then watching live session, and then assignments. थोड़े बहुत.
Great, yaar. This concept of going live is pretty cool. It's very much in culture these days.
In culture, very much in culture. Like, just look at the stories above, and there's so many people live with so many people.
And then
So
we are
I
adding
thought,
up to that. Yeah.
yeah, I'm like, yeah, let's do it. It's good, to learn something from the people, from the artist, and yeah, to have a proper face-to-face conversation. Yeah. Hi,
Hmm.
Aditi. Yeah. So how is your quarantine time going?
Yeah, that's good. Like, I think we are the privileged ones. We are able to sit at our homes and not go out. So I think it's good so far. I just hope that it ends pretty early, like it just ends soon. I don't want to be in this state forever. So I just want to
Same,
get out of
same for
this.
me. Same for me, yeah.
जिसकी
Same.
आदत ना पड़ जाए. So yeah,
So what do you think? Badega lockdown? This is the most asked question
can't
right
really say
now.
anything. Yeah, can't say.
Yeah, please
So
go
for
ahead.
people who are watching Artist Address, I would like to introduce Vasudha. Vasudha is a creator. She's a video creator who
Thank you so
posts
much.
travel videos on YouTube. So she's a travel blogger, and just take a look at her Instagram profile, and it's colorful. The way you have shown all your
Thank you
pictures
so much.
them together, I think that's good.
Thank you so
And
much.
yeah,
So yeah, everyone अभी I guess इतने लोग हैं नहीं, but yeah, जो भी he's Mr. Gagandeep Singh Baid. He's a social media analyst, and I just really like what he does with all the artists, gather on all the people at one single step.
thank you.
I'm so sorry for that. Just wait a minute, okay?
Yeah, no worries.
ये
So
सिंबल
tell
में
me,
हाँ.
so any new plans? Like it's the time when you have all the time with you. So
Yeah.
any new YouTube videos coming up, or
No,
you're
actually,
still
my
waiting?
laptop is not working. My laptop is not working at
Okay.
all. And it's not that I cannot edit from my phone, but for the footage also, I have all my memory, all my matlab, storage in that laptop only. I don't have any, TV or any other disk or something, to pen drive, pen drive to which I can transfer the memory from. तो लैपटॉप का हालत बिल्कुल
Yeah.
बुरा हो चुका है पूरा ब्लैंक स्क्रीन है तो आई कैन इवन ट्रांसफर माय stuff from here to here. Yeah.
So great, yaar. Tell me
Yeah.
about your journey. How did you start on YouTube?
I know again.
So
Yeah.
people watching.
I invited you here and you were asking me the questions.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So you can ask me.
Me,
That's the
okay. I'll
same thing.
answer your questions. I'll answer your questions. It's fine. I'm sorry for the background noise. Really sorry.
I can't even hear the background noise, so it's fine.
Acha, okay, then it's
Yeah.
cool. Then it's cool. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, you ask na pehle only. Then I'll ask you a lot of questions.
Okay, you want to
Online.
ask me? Okay, ask. Yeah.
Okay.
पूछो
So
मुझसे.
how did you started the page Artist Actress?
The artist address is, in simple terms, an art sharing page. So you will see different posts by artists. So it is a page which I created, and it was meant to just appreciate art. So it happens now that we have our personal profiles and we are checking so many new
Yeah.
artists, their works. So I thought I want to just save them. Just it happens on
Okay.
Pinterest, so you can save
Mm-hmm.
pins. It happens now on Pinterest
Okay.
that we can
Yeah.
save
Yeah.
pins. Simply, I thought
Huh.
कि
Okay.
Instagram पे I should just have a gallery where I have pictures of different artists, their works,
Mm-hmm.
whether it is sketch or writing or anything
Okay.
abstract. Even I posted my works over there, whatever I would click
Mm-hmm.
or write. So I like to write, and I also like clicking pictures. So I had very different kind of, you can say, interests. So I followed them during my college days, and that's when
Okay.
I thought that I should, side by side, I should also be posting works of other people, because it was just
Yeah.
meant for appreciating art. And even today,
Okay.
it's seen the same way. We have artists
Yeah, it's
supporting
going
other
in the
artists,
same
so
way.
it's a mutual kind of a page where each one is just appreciating the other person. And even if we give a shout out to an artist or share
Yeah.
someone's post, so in the comments people are, the motive was behind this page, and it's going pretty well. And I'm glad it's the same even today. We are appreciating art, even the
Yeah.
beginners or the people who are professionals. So it's space for everyone. So anyone can get published here.
Yeah, obviously, yeah.
What do you think
I
of it?
I
What do you
I
think of
think
art?
it's a great way to, promote all the artists and to feature their work and to appreciate them in a way where, all other people in audience could see their work. So it is a
Thanks.
very good initiative, really. So what
Thank you.
inspired, like, okay, this is a place where we wanted to bring all the artists, to feature them, to bring the collection of many different forms of art together. But what
Yeah.
inspired you actually behind this page? Like one thought in your mind which came up, like, हाँ मुझे ये करना चाहिए, मुझे page start करना चाहिए.
You can call it a little bit frustration that when you're trying to build your audience on your own personal profile, and when you want that other
अच्छा.
pages should give you a shout out. So I thought, दूसरे नहीं
Okay.
दे रहे तो खुद का एक page बना लो. So it was kind of little out of frustration, but
Yeah.
I'm glad I made it. I have a page
I'm
which
glad
gives
too.
space to
And I'm
other art.
glad too.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
I guess that the page offers various artists, not only just people who are photographers. There are people who make art, who does drawings, and have taste in music or do dance. So it's great.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
so
think it's more of a creator page. Anyone who is a creator can come over here and
yeah,
share
content
one's
creators.
experiences, and we'll be very happy. If you can grow your audience through our page, that will be the best thing which we can imagine.
Yes. So, any tips you would like to give to a beginner who just started their page and wants to grow it in a certain manner organically grow it?
Okay. Or organically see if anyone wants to grow. First of all, the thing is you should know your goal, what you really want out of your page. Since I am a digital marketer also by profession, so I can a little bit say on that first of all you need to know what actually do you want out of your page. Is it just for the likes that you are here, or is it to give some value or add some relevant information to the lives of other people, give them something different, food for thought? So you have to first of all know what your goal is, and if you're very clear with your goal, I think that's pretty much clear for the audience as well. So once you have your clear goal, the next step would be to, do a little bit research. Choose your niche, the one area where you want to focus on. Like if you're a photographer, then you should absolutely just post pictures. Instagram is a great platform for that, and you need to have just, I believe, one or two platforms at most. Don't go everywhere. Don't just say if you have 10
Okay.
platforms, social media channels will go
Yeah,
everywhere.
focus on one thing.
Pick up, yeah,
But do
pick
you
up.
think like if an artist is like if an artist is somewhere like on all the mediums, like if he's doing YouTube and Instagram and also on TikTok these days is kind of very popular. So if the
Yeah,
artist wants to grow the audience, not for the likes or something, then what's the thought behind that? Like what would you
okay.
say behind that? Is it okay? Is it not?
Yeah, that's perfectly okay if the person has that much time to do that. And it's
Yeah,
very good
yeah.
to try different platforms. It's not a bad thing,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
you can't just say that I'll post everywhere, I'll grow anywhere.
Huh.
You have to just concentrate on one place. That's what I meant. You can try
Hmm.
anything and everything. If you have time, if you're doing it full time, then you can go to 3 or 4 channels instead of just one.
One,
So I
yeah.
think start with one,
Depends on
and
the
if it's
time.
going well, go to 2, 3 also. But if you're good at enough at one, that's all what you require. And hi, Harjis, thanks for joining in.
Yeah, 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 I didn't. I'm also seeing the comments. Hi, everyone who joined. Thank you very much. Hi, Harjis. Hi, what's the name? Rao Pintu. Hi.
Yeah. So at the same time, I would also say that you should know some people whose works you like. If you want to
Yeah.
be like someone, then you should really know what it takes to be there. So keep getting inspiration and keep observing things. If you're observing other people grow, then definitely
Mhm.
you have a growth mindset and you'll also grow if you want to grow. I think there's no dearth, कोई कमी नहीं है किसी भी चीज की online.
बिल्कुल, ये तो है.
Whether it's any
There are
information, you will get to know
lot of
everything if
people,
you are
lot of content.
consistent. Consistency is another keyword we can use here.
Yeah. And this is the
Yeah.
thing which I'm hearing from every artist every now and then.
Yeah.
Consistency is the key here. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So, you also as a photographer, so I guess you have done
Okay.
a lot of work in street photography. So tell us more about that
Yeah,
also.
it was a hobby. I think that's a hobby I
Okay.
had when I was in college. Like I said,
Okay.
in college we have different things in our mind. We don't know what we are going to do. So
Acha.
I just explored photography. I think I love to click pictures, and I started from a
Okay.
phone, you clicking pictures, and I went on to learning how to use a DSLR, and then how to click pictures in the manual mode, and then use different lenses. And when we get good
Hmm.
results out of our hobby, so that's what even motivates us further. So street photography, as you just asked, I think that's
Yeah.
the beginning phase for every
Okay.
photographer, because
Photography.
if you can click uh, candid pictures or pictures from the street, from
Hmm.
the rush of the city, if you just enter any street and you start clicking pictures, if you can find meaning in those pictures, in those random moments, so I think it counts. It makes you a different it helps you grow as an artist if you can patiently click those moments
It's
and
the
give them
human
a
example.
meaningful life. So if you can bring moments to life, I think that's what art is,
The
and
the best.
photography is,
Yeah.
be it any art. If you can bring things to life, whether it's a
Life.
poetry,
And
there's a
capture that
different thought.
memory forever.
So I think it's the same for every art, whether it's photography, whether it's writing, it's a sketch or painting. So you're bringing things to life, your imagination to life.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, I want to tell that myself, like I also learned photography from him, the basics of photography from him only. So thank you very much. Okay,
You're
so
welcome.
the other question I have is like any tips you want to give as a photographer, like what things one needs to keep in mind while clicking a picture, like the
People
basic
might be
things.
wondering, I'm a photographer. I'm a digital
Okay, like,
marketer, but photography is my
we can
hobby.
say, yeah, but okay, fine.
I would just say that if I can give you some tips on photography, then it would be definitely that you should have some patience, as every art requires. It goes out for every art form. So you should practice patience to click moments, and then you should follow different. Since we have this privilege of using social media, Instagram, we
Yeah.
can reach out to any photographer. So we should check
Hmm.
their work and get inspired. So the very first step is seeing how others are clicking pictures and what perspective they have, go to photo walks. That's brilliant. The way photo walks are
Yeah,
introduced
yeah,
across different cities. That's where photographers meet. So that's when one gets a perspective in one's art. A 15-year-old can get in touch with a guy who has been doing photography for 20
yeah.
years. So
Mhm.
that will
Experience.
definitely give a different dimension to one's art and help a photographer grow. So photo walks, I would definitely say that it's a tip if you
Okay,
can take
do
from
photo
me. Go
walk.
on photo walks. Those
Yeah.
happen like on Sundays, on weekends, mostly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, as a social media analyst, I want to ask one thing, like how this quarantine and all this lockdown will affect the social media as a platform. Like,
So,
would it be
so,
bringing more reach here, or would the people, especially the travel industry, I guess, would have a very setback? So, what are your thoughts on
yeah, they're two different things, travel and social media. Travel is like this industry is now, there's no travel industry these days
it?
due to
Yeah,
this.
exactly. Totally
But
shut down.
social
Yeah.
media is on boom. Everyone is using phones.
Using it.
Everyone is there. So yeah, it's a great opportunity for anyone who wants to grow up. So make use of this time to grow on your social media platforms. And yeah, if you're if you are an artist, I would say you who wants to grow on this medium, then I would refer that you guys are artpreneurs because you are very much taking this responsibility of growing yourselves. So as an
Hmm.
entrepreneur, I would say that you should strategize your content, whatever you are posting. You should think
Hmm.
about it, that whether it will add value to the lives of people, how they will respond to it, and try to engage them in your work. Ask them questions in your posts, and more ideas you can search on the net. But the main idea is that you should know your responsibility as an artist who wants to grow. Analyze how people are responding to your work, and you know if you're doing that, you will definitely make a difference. You will grow.
But okay, there is one more thing which I would like to bring up here. Like after this lockdown, even when the lockdown is going on, the people cannot travel. They can't make more content, more new content, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
So what to do about those travel bloggers, or even the photographers now and other people, graphic designers. Maybe graphic designers would get work. Obviously, there are lot
Mm-hmm.
of other platforms for graphic designers to get the
Right.
work. But for the
True.
people who is more into travel, not into like photographers also, they need at least to go outside to click the pictures. So what about
Mm-hmm.
them? How would this all situation affect their lifestyle, their
I
life,
think this time has
their
given us
life
the
on social
opportunity.
media?
Yeah, so this time has given us this opportunity to reflect on our life, to think what we need to do ahead. So if
Okay.
we are sitting at our homes and if we are travel
Mhm.
bloggers who can't travel at all, so
Yeah.
the best thing is we should sit, reflect that what we can do in the future maybe. But right now we can, if we have some unedited work which is not yet complete, if we have some edited
Mhm.
videos to be edited, we can use them now. We can work on them
Okay.
now. So we can use throwback pictures if you want to stay active even now. We can use some throwback pictures and we can write
Yeah,
about the
yeah,
places we have been to earlier. It's
yeah.
not that the travel bloggers have to be on travel all the way. You can,
Only then.
even talk of the things which you didn't get the opportunity to talk about earlier. So make use of those earlier trips you had to different places and write about them if you have a blog. And if you're on
Okay.
Instagram, then yeah, definitely you can do different things. There's no end
Okay.
to
So
creativity. So
yeah,
if you're creative
creativity.
enough, you'll
That's
figure
true.
it out how to go ahead and
Yeah.
you know engage people.
I
Yeah,
have
I hope.
another question. Like ये जो आजकल trends बनते हैं अलग अलग, like there was a trend where there were 4 pictures, and इसमें एक LinkedIn का picture है, एक I guess Instagram का, एक Facebook का है, and all that pictures. So do you think that as a social media, like people should follow these trends just for the sake of it, like it is a trend, or they should? What is your take?
Are you referring to the grids? What are you
Grit,
referring
yeah,
to?
the grit and any other new trend which comes, like there was a trend of even making new recipes at your home, and many people were just doing for the sake of the trend because it was a trend. Like people were making coffee these days and just
Yeah.
posting on it. Maybe they didn't want to even try it or they didn't even like it, but they were just making it to post it on the social media. So, do you
Uh,
think like how does this affect and should it be done or not?
Yeah, it should be done. You were just asking me
Okay.
earlier about, from where will people get the content if they're not traveling?
Acha,
So
ha, ha,
people
ha,
can
okay.
use these trending stories
Okay.
to create their
Mm-hmm.
content. So if you see every
Okay.
new week we have something new coming up.
New
So
coming up
in
nowadays,
that
yes.
way, the social media is itself bringing us ideas to work on, and if we
Okay.
bring those trending topics into our strategy, that helps us
Mm-hmm.
stand out. That because this is a trending topic, and if you see
Mm-hmm.
on Twitter, if you see on Instagram, if this thing is trending, it will help you get more likes. If it's about likes, it will help you engage with more and more people. So it's very useful. We should definitely do it because it
Okay.
makes people comment and engage with your posts and share it with other
Mm-hmm.
people. For example, if you play Ludo, so you will know how
Yeah.
people are responding to Ludo because they don't have any other thing to do. They know what Ludo is at this time. Had you
Yes,
shared
that's
it
true.
earlier, people wouldn't have reacted to it. But
Yeah,
social media is
not
about getting reactions from people.
yeah, they're
So
like
yeah,
memes being
trending
made on
topics are
it.
very important.
Yeah, they're like many pages are making memes on every day, these Ludo and all stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
memes are always hot. Any time, Harjit is saying, I think all the bloggers can also teach their art to others through webinars. So that's a
Yeah,
great
yeah,
way.
that's a
Great.
great idea. Yeah, that is a great idea. Okay, so how can a beginner I would say increase their engagement on this platform or on any platform? Apart from
I
the
just you
consistency, obviously consistency needs to be there, but
which
any
platform?
tricks or hacks which they can use?
Are you asking me how to grow on any platform?
Yeah, on
Can you
any
just
social media platform. Yeah, you know. Apart, yeah, obviously there's one point which you said earlier that there should be consistency, but along with that, what more should be there for the beginners which they should do?
beginners should just believe in themselves. That's the only thing. You just create, you believe, and you observe other people. Observation is very important on social media. So I think any platform it is, just be observant enough and you will grow. I think that's all. And keep analyzing how your posts are doing. And yeah, that's all. Now you have asked me enough, I think. Now it's my time to ask you.
Okay,
So
no.
can you tell
There's
me
one
something?
more question. One more question. Since my page is about travel, more about travel. So tell
Okay.
us about your favorite travel destination and your travel. First, tell us about your favorite travel destination where you have
Uh, I
been.
think I think travel destinations are endless. We have so many places on our mind
And
all the
just
time.
one place which you are very close to, or you just like to visit again.
So 2 years back I went to Melbourne, Australia, and I loved that.
Okay.
And I would definitely like to explore other cities. I couldn't go to Sydney and other cities in Australia. So I would like to explore once
Okay.
again, be there.
Those
And other than
places.
other countries, I would also talk about India itself. India is very vast, so I would like
Yes,
to
it is.
definitely explore
Indeed.
different cultures and visit those cities I haven't been to. Yeah. So
Any
about
favorite
travel, I
place
would
in
say
India? Any favorite place? Any favorite travel city in India where you think you'll visit after this lockdown, or maybe afterwards?
yeah. So I have been to Rajasthan a lot, so I'll go to Rajasthan. I have some work over there in Jaipur, so I'll be going whenever I get a chance. And
Okay.
Harjas is saying mine is
Yeah,
Havelock Island,
Havelock
Andaman.
Islands, Andaman. Yeah, that's a beautiful place. I've heard about it, a lot about it.
Harjas,
Andaman
how
and
how do you
Nicobar.
find this live? Let's ask people how they are finding this.
Live session. Oh yeah. Please tell us, and even comment down your questions for Gagan. If you have any of the questions to ask, we have the social media analyst with us. So any questions, please ask. it's a great
And
opportunity for all
yeah,
of us.
I would also like to add on one thing when you asked about how to grow on social media platforms. One is that we have to
Yeah.
come out of our comfort zones, like we are
Okay.
doing live today. I wasn't into doing lives before.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay.
I think that's about breaking the comfort zone and trying
Yeah.
something new,
Coming
saying
out of
yes,
it.
okay, I can do it. So that's very
Thank
important
you
that
very
we
much for doing it. Thank you very much. It means a lot. Thank you very much for doing
so
it.
thanks for inviting me here. I think it's lovely to talk to you
My pleasure.
always.
My pleasure. मेरा पिक्चर बहुत वो आ रहा है. Sorry. आपसे
So,
थोड़ा
cool.
blur था.
So tell me now about YouTube. I want to ask you how to grow on YouTube and some tricks you can tell
Our
us.
tips to grow on YouTube is obviously being
Tricks that
consistent,
have worked for you.
which worked for me. I guess I'm just a beginner, a rookie right now, but still I would say consistency is main, as you said. And okay, I have question for you. First, you have to
Yeah,
answer,
first of
please.
all, you tell me about
Okay,
YouTube.
okay. As I was saying, so yeah, consistency, obviously, as told by my mentor, you only. So consistency is there, which should be there, and yeah, just try to be yourself. That's what important, and even you can just try different things, as you said, try to come out of your comfort zone and try different things which you see from other YouTubers who are doing well in their content, and who have been done those type of videos. You can just have a look and try to make that concept through you, like that concept, but by your imagination, by how you mold it into your own perspective on through, or maybe how you do it from your own personality. So yeah, you can try that as a beginner. So yeah, that's all I can learn abhi tak, but I'm still a beginner.
Lovely, yaar. Talk of some of those, things we have to do. Like we have to create a thumbnail, we have to write title, we have to write
Yeah, I
caption.
think
Few of those
thumbnails
things
are
which
very
people miss.
yeah, thumbnails and the titles are very important, because thumbnail and title is the one and the first thing which people see when they come on YouTube. And even if they search, obviously you need to push hashtags, whichever is relevant for your video. So they will come through your video. But once, even they've put something on the topic, they'll only click on your video when when they find the thumbnail attractive enough, or when they find the title which is suitable for what they are looking for. So that is very important thing. Yeah, thumbnails are very important. Yeah. Yeah. Well, now you answer this question, please. Do you think social media growth can only be measured in numbers? How about impact? Yeah, very good question, Harjas. Please answer.
Okay, so I'll answer Harjis's question, and I also tell people that he's a life skills coach. So he has been
Okay.
creating a lot of impact. He's been kind of revolutionizing the concept of education. I think life skills is something which
If
is
I'm
new to
wrong, if
people.
I'm not wrong, he was on your live few weeks ago, right?
Yeah, yeah. So he
Yeah,
was
yeah, I
here.
saw your video, Harjas. It was great. I even saw the whole live
So
session.
I'll take on his question. So
Yeah.
I think numbers are also showing you that you're making an impact. If you're growing through numbers, means people, if they are consistently following you, new people are following you. So it means that somewhere or the other they found value in your content, somewhere their life changed by consuming your content. And if they are engaging with your posts, if they are asking you questions, and if you're able to create curiosity in them. So I think impact only shows up when you see engagement from people. If you can see people commenting and they're messaging you, maybe their issues or how they would like to learn from you. So I think those numbers, those people, it kind of shows that you are creating an impact if you're reaching to wide audience. So if you're consistent enough, you will definitely increase your numbers and you will create more and more impact. So numbers, yeah, they signify the impact you're creating. That's impact itself. If new people are adding up to your profile, it means that you
Yeah,
must
I
have
do believe that.
created some
Some
content or
impact.
such impact.
Yeah.
Yeah, some impact through your videos. He has a YouTube channel, and through that channel he shares short videos, like 2-3 minutes videos. And if you go to his channel, you will find what's the difference in the things he speaks about. And then Harjas, if you like, you are called to different talks, like TEDx called
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
for their talks,
Oh,
and
yeah,
different
that's
colleges.
great. That's a great
Yeah.
thing.
So if people want to connect with you, I think that's what the social media is successful at. If they're calling you at their conferences, or if they want that you should come and teach in their schools. So if people, like-minded people, are connecting with you, that's what impact is. I hope I somewhere answered your question. If not, let me know. I'll try to give it a different perspective. And Vasudha Arundhati says that you're doing a great
Mhm.
job by keeping
Thank you
your
very
audience
much.
engaged.
Thank
That's
you very
a way of
much. Thank you. Thank
that's a way
you
of
very
growing
much.
as well. And thanks, Arundhati and Nikita. You are watching this video. Means a lot to both
Thank
of
you
us.
everyone who's watching right now. Yeah. So now
Acha,
just tell us about your travel experience. Yeah, any of the travel experience which is very, full of fun and you just enjoyed that travel journey. Any experience of such?
I think through social media only, once I got a chance to
Hmm.
visit the Jaipur Literature Festival in 2015, and
Okay.
that was a
Okay.
trip which changed my understanding of traveling, or maybe about organizing things, of leadership skills,
Hmm.
because I was glad to learn about how we can organize events of such a large scale. And when I went to
Hmm.
the JLF, it's the biggest literature festival in the world.
Biggest literature
So
fest, yeah.
it
I've never
uh,
attended.
I think that was one experience. I was just in my college. I was 19 that time, and
Acha,
it
yeah.
was I had won a contest. So I think that was what
Ooh,
made it even more special. It was from
yeah,
Rio.
obviously.
Yeah, so that was
Okay.
one experience.
So
Now you can tell me
how
all.
is the vibe there in Jaipur Literature Fest? How is the vibe there? Like, you.
The vibe is,
Hmm.
everyone is there. You name any big author, you will find it author over there. The vibe is like it's very grand. So
Okay.
the way that actors are coming over there, and the media is talking all about GLF, it's covering. So that
Yeah,
makes it
yeah,
very
yeah.
grand. There are artist performances, there are people from all walks of life, and there are politicians coming over there, there are notable
Okay.
celebrities coming over there, and writers coming over there, as well as uh, other artists who are, say
Yeah.
for example, dancers. They're talking of their art and how it's
Yeah,
reaching to more and more
yeah.
people. So it's like the full city is celebrating that sense of literature
Celebrating.
in that 1 week or 5-6 days. It
Hmm.
happens. So that was interesting
So
experience for
was
me.
that your solo trip or you went with your friends?
Yeah, it was my solo trip. The first time I went over there,
Okay.
so I'd won a online contest. So it was through that. So
Oh,
and then
nice.
then I later on went to Ajmer and then Pushkar. So it was a long journey
Okay.
later.
Okay. Okay. Hi to people who joined recently. Hi,
Yeah,
Vikrant.
Harjas is saying that it's
Yeah.
good to measure the growth outwardly
Hmm.
through numbers, but inwardly we can have intention for impact. So recently I was attending one of his webinars only. Harjas, he's doing
Okay.
webinars these days on life skills. So
Life skills, yeah.
he talked
Okay.
about intention, that our intention should be right. We should
Okay.
have that intention to grow. So even if we don't get that kind of response, doesn't mean that we are
Hmm.
not doing right. We are not going right. I
Obviously.
mean, yeah, we can for sure work on our strategy, but if our intention is good enough, I think that's more important. And I think somewhere he also wants to convey the same thing.
Then we're the same, yeah.
So I agree with
But,
him that we should have the right intention and that growth mindset.
hmm.
If we have that, we can grow. So tell me, Vasudha, now your favorite pages on YouTube, channels on YouTube.
My favorite,
Do you
yeah,
follow
please.
channels? Yeah.
My favorite channels, okay. There are lot of content which I'm watching nowadays on YouTube. And I would really like one of the YouTubers. His name is Traveling Mondays. He makes amazing videos. Ankit Bhatia is there who makes amazing
Mm-hmm.
videos. And I really like, I guess many people might know her, Larissa. She's also doing great
Okay.
in travel.
Let us.
And yeah, and even right now I'm watching the daily vlogs of Flying Beast, God of the Nature. So he is just doing the live, the video about his day-to-day life, which he is living right now with his family, and just shooting by the phone.
Yeah.
And in this recent video, he didn't just put any music in it, and he was like, "I just want to prove that to all of you that to start a video, to make a channel, you don't need a specific camera or something. You just need
Yeah.
efforts to put in."
So did you
So
take
he,
any inspiration from him for this?
yeah,
Since
I
you're
am getting inspiration for him, but his family is like ready to be, on the camera. My family is not ready to be on the camera, so I can't ask them to be on the camera with me. But yeah, he's just telling about all the people that, giving the message that you just need a phone and a small story which you can tell to your audience. And one
yeah.
more thing which he told, and which I think is very good, if the audience stick with you for 3 minutes, for the starting 3 minutes in your
Mm-hmm.
video, they're going to be there for the whole video. So you have to make it the first 3 minutes more engaging, more entertaining for them, so that
Yeah.
they would be there throughout for the whole video.
Completely agree.
Yeah. So yeah, and other than that, I'm watching series and all. So what are you? What are you watching
To
nowadays on any social media or thing which you have?
Doordarshan gave us
Yeah,
Ramayana,
Doordarshan.
then added on. I think I watched Vikram Betal. So everyone is
Acha,
watching
okay.
all the different English shows, and I'm watching all these Doordarshan shows. I think I
I
love
have
the
also
concept of.
watched Doordarshan.
I think
Yeah.
I love the concept of Vikram Betal. If anyone has
Acha.
watched that, you can comment and say hi. Great, anything you can say. But
I just
I'm in.
want to know ये विक्रम बेताल में जो actors हैं ये वही है ना जो रामायण में भी हैं.
There are many different actors.
कुछ actors हैं.
Every episode has a different story. So
अच्छा, okay.
so they have different actors in that. Yeah,
Okay.
I think जो राम है
हाँ
Ramayana का,
जी.
that's the leader in Vikram. He's Vikram in Vikram Betal.
हाँ. I saw
And it
that
has a
in
life
Kapil
lesson.
Sharma show. Yeah. So I watched Ramayana as well, and I watched this show called Dekh Bhai Dekh.
देख भाई देख. Yeah.
हाँ, it's a very good comedy show. So मेरे यहाँ तो सुबह से शाम दूरदर्शन चलता है. My parents are so much not addicted, but they so much like it that काफी shows देखते हैं. Even Mowgli, my papa watches Mowgli.
The Malgudi days you mean? नहीं वो different.
No,
Malgudi days.
Mowgli.
Okay. I also watched that one episode of Swami and Friends. That's also that's on YouTube.
Marvel Days में ना the first episode है.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've read the full book. Yeah, it's very good. I've also watched it. Yeah. So any one of you wants to ask Gagan any question, any sort of question, please go ahead.
I think I should ask you more.
So first let them ask. Now you are there in the okay.
Like,
If you ask to us, please go ahead.
I think they are done. They are like, okay, now let us go and watch some series or something. We should let them go.
Okay, you want to ask? You can ask. Okay, Nikita is smiling. Yeah, Nikita, ask questions to Gagan. Arundhati have the best time to ask questions.
They have asked me enough questions.
He'll answer it right now. You don't have to wait for the message.
What are you going to do after this live session, Vasudha? You have already had one before this one. Before asking me questions, you already asked question to someone else. So
yeah,
what are you going to do next after this? After this, I mean, once this ends, what are you going to do?
Eat my dinner.
Great.
And then maybe I'll stick to my book. Yeah, I was reading a book, so yeah, I'll go back to it. It's going about to finish, and I guess you only recommended that book. I still have it there. Wait.
Which one?
It's P.S. I Love You by Cecilia Ahern. One. Yeah, I'm just about to end it. So it's a nice book. Thanks for the recommendation.
Welcome. You had this book already? Like I just recommended it to you, I think last month.
Yeah, I had this already. I've quarantine got us to cleaning, a lot of cleaning. So I just found this one. Yeah, I had it already.
What are you planning for? Arundhati says she's planning for one more. What is that?
But no more live sessions today.
Chal, live session. Maybe you can go
Huh.
live with her if she wants.
Okay, yeah, I can obviously.
Hi Chaitanya, how are you? क्या चल रहा है?
Hello to all these people who joined right now. Thank you for joining in.
Great, yaar. Also, that was nice talking to you.
Same here. Thank you so much for agreeing to do this. Really,
My
thanks
pleasure.
a lot. Oh,
Although
I'm
I
so
wasn't
sorry.
ready at first,
Sorry.
you made it
Oh my God.
possible. So, all thanks to
Okay,
you.
just 1 minute. ये मेरा camera.
I'm good. Good. Thanks.
Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah. So, any questions you want to ask? You were saying, na, I'm ready to answer questions. If you want to ask, let's just remind it up like this. Any questions you want to ask, you can.
Okay. Tell me your favorite show.
My
on
favorite
television.
show
Which one is it?
on television. I don't have any such favorite show on television.
No show. Okay.
Like I've
I
watched
thought you would
plenty
say.
of them, but not.
I thought you would say Kapil Sharma or something. But
No. Kapil Sharma se better like Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. That's the show which is I've watched like since so many years now, and still watch now.
Great,
What's
yeah.
your favorite show?
My favorite show that I told you, I'm watching the show I told you, Vikram Betal.
Achha, Vikram and
That's
Vedal.
good. But, yeah,
So you just
otherwise we watch.
Achha, okay.
Yeah, and otherwise we have TK. What is it? TKSS, the Kapil Sharma show.
Okay, good, great. Yeah, it's a good show. Yeah. Okay, someone said something. Yes, I have one regarding any topic. I'm sorry I didn't get that, Chaitanya. Do you get what he meant to say?
No,
Can you please repeat elaborate whatever you want to say, Chaitanya, please? Tom and Jerry, yeah, I'll watch it. I used to watch a lot of Tom and Jerry before.
Maybe she's referring to me with that Mr. Bean thing.
Okay.
All right, so we'll wrap it up now.
Yeah. Okay, let's wrap it up. Thank you very much. Okay, he said something. Please answer this.
How could the economy be balanced after lockdown? Yeah, I'll go and watch Raghuram Rajan after this. He has a new video up. I think Economic Times has that video uploaded on YouTube. So I think he would be the right person to answer that question on economy. It will take some time, definitely. It's very difficult all across the globe. And hi, Mohammed Vishan. You joined a little late, but yeah, hi.
Hi. Thank you for joining in. Thank you.
You're joining in and we are just leaving.
Yeah, we are just leaving. But thank you so much for joining, and please follow Artist Address. Page ka ID dar hoga. Please follow Artist Address. Please follow Gagan's own account also. He is an amazing artist as well. So please follow both these accounts. And if you get time, so please also mere page pe bhi nazar maar lena. And thank you everyone for joining in. Absolutely. And thank you so much, Gagan. Yeah.
All right then. Yeah. Bye. Take care.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.
So guys, that was Gagan with us from he is the admin of Artist Address, a beautiful page which you all should check out, and even follow his account. He's a great artist. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining in, and hi to everyone who joined right now. The session ended, so yeah, I have another session coming up tomorrow with another photographer. So I'll post all the details here on my stories. Oh, it's my pleasure that you joined, Mr. Artist Address. Thank you very much, Gagan, for joining in. Yeah, अभी Gagan ने comment किया है तो please सब लोग उसके page पे जाके देखो. जो कमेंट है आर्टिस्ट एड्रेस के नाम से, प्लीज just look at this page and you'll really like it. A beautiful way to, gather all the artists at one place is actually the name, as the name says, the artist address. Please have a look at his page and follow his page. And thank you everyone who joined this live session. It was really, really a good one and very informative one. So thank you very much. Bye. And yeah, another live session coming tomorrow. So please stay tuned.